Our next guest, okay, is actually one special guest of mine na sa akin sa totoo lang, very, very meaningful. Kasi he's one of my favorite singer-songwriters of this generation. Yan na. He's one of the hottest, hottest P-pop artists.
As we call him a legend too.
He's a P-pop legend. My generation listen because this guy is, I'm telling you, this guy is something else. And para sa akin,
Probably one of the most brilliant minds, I think, in this generation right now for me.
ikaw na nag-introduce. Hindi,
Yes.
totoo yun. Tsaka, ito ang sasabihin ko sa kanya. Ito talaga, alam itong generation ko, alam niyo ba ibig sabihin ng bias? Bias. Kasi sa mga 18, ang bias, yung pinaka-favorite mo. And for me, he's my bias.
I know. And I think a lot of people in the audience know that. Diba alam niyo yun, guys?
Are you guys excited?
I think we can do a little bit better though. Are you guys excited?
Yeah! But Gen X, my generation, Gen Z, got this.
Yes.
You gotta watch this guy because I'm telling you, you're gonna be blown away. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome from SB19,